to Tech Conn. So today we'll be discussing about how to create a donut chart. So by default we don't have donut chart in Tableau. Okay, in Show Me option you can see we don't have any donut chart option. Okay, but we can create a donut chart with the help of a pie chart. Okay, so let's start. For this I'll just create a axis. Okay, so when you create a pie chart you will never get a x-axis or y-axis. So here I will manually create the axis. Okay, so just write here minimum of 1. You can like take minimum of 100, minimum of 10, 20, anything. Okay, and again I am writing minimum of 1 to create a dual axis. Okay. Okay, so that I can create a 2 vertical axis, right? And I am getting 2 marks of this one, arc minimum of 1 and arc minimum of 1. These are 2 marks. Okay, so the next step is I'll just convert into dual axis. Just click this drop down and click on dual axis, and I'll make it as interview. Okay, so let's increase the size. Click on this all and increase the size a little bit. Yeah, this look good. Then let's take the region into color. Okay, take this arc of min of 1, first one, and then just check region into column. And click this automatic one and make it as pie. Okay, but you can see in my right hand side the central is on blue color, east is on orange color, south is on red color, and west is on green color. But in this chart I am not getting anything, right? So for this what you will do, just select the second one. Okay, and just decrease the size a little bit. Okay, because like the next chart is overlapping on the pie chart. Okay, so that just reduce the size a little bit. Here I'll just increase this one. Yeah, so the smaller one is the circle one and the outer is the pie chart. Okay, and it looks like a donut, right? So if you want to change the color you can change. I'll just change the color. Click on this color one, click on edit color, click on this min of 1 and make it as white. Okay, then OK, click on apply, then click on OK. Okay, so this looks like a perfect donut, right? So now just observe this chart. Okay, if you click on this central one or east one, south one or west one, you are just getting the same angle, right? See this one also, the same angle. But I'll just do one thing here. Just select the cell and drop it on angle. Okay, so that you will getting the different angle. If you click on central part, you will be getting the different angle. If you click on east part, you will be getting the different angle. If we click on south part, you will be getting a different angle, right? And if you want to give the label also, you can give. Just click this one and just drag and drop cell into label. Okay, see this one. This is the west one. The sale was 5,26,777. This is the central one which was 4,48,285. This is the east one which was 5,92,171, and this is the south one which was 3,57,105. And I think you have one question in your mind, what is this one? 19,24,338. So it is this one. Like if you combine all these 4 numbers, then we will get the total number of this one, 19,24,338. Okay, so I hope you have understood like how to create a donut chart. If you want to give the background color also, you can give. I'll just rename this sheet as donut chart. Okay, click on bold, make it as red, then apply, then okay. So that's all for this video. Thank you.
So after the video is over, I will ask questions. So to answer, open my channel and go to the community section and answer all these quiz so that I will know how much you have understood. And if you like my video, then do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.